Oh, dog, what have you done? So this is Beaver Run RV Park in Metter, Georgia. M-E-T-T-E-R.
Everything's better in Metter.
That's what the side of the building says. So. Ah! Like our gnats. Gnats. Apparently, there's a thing called a gnat line. It's a real deal. Ah, I can hear it.
Well,
Runs through Macon to Augusta at the fault line, basically. And I don't know why the gnats don't like the fault line.
Maybe the air pressure is
I don't know,
different.
but
Or,
let me tell you what, down here south of the gnat line, it's horrible.
Struggle is real.
It is. It's like,
So look, this is cute. They have this little lake, and it's a stocked lake that you can go fishing in, and here's some people taking advantage of it this evening.
yeah.
So one of my favorite things about this RV park is that they have this great little primitive tent area, which we have aptly named Tent City, because on the weekends, this place is packed out. We've seen so many parties happen here and just great little family outings.
Yeah, they cram them in there. They have a good time.
Sometimes there's just one or two, but most weekends there's like 8 or 10.
Yeah, sometimes you'll find a lot there.
Oh, and they're just having the best time ever.
Good for them. I don't think I could.
No, this one family, they had like 3 teepees, a couple of pup tents, and a couple bonfires going. But they had several fans, box fans plugged in.
Amen to you. So this place has got you covered if you're into tent camping, but we are no longer into tent camping. Once you get in the RV and you have AC for a few months or a few camping trips, it's kind of hard to live without it, I think.
Yeah, and I'm 50 now, so I'm not doing that. Thanks.
That's right.
So another thing that covers all the bases for camping here is they have little cabins that you can rent. Ooh. And they vary in size from like little studio cabins to, I think they have a 2 or 3 bedroom cabin also.
Yeah, you can see on the far side of the lake over there, a couple more of the cabins. And they have scattered throughout a few of those that are actually laundry facilities too. So, and I think that the tires here
are like frisbee golf?
Frisbee golf, I think, yep. So me and Mel both kind of liken the area down here, it's rural, to like where we grew up. And look at the playground equipment.
Yeah, the playground is very reminiscent of our childhood.
Reminiscent of our childhood, yeah.
The only thing that it's missing is that, I don't even remember what it was called, the wheel, the merry-go-round thing,
the flat.
Yeah. Now this barrel, I think, has been the most fun. You'll see
this
kids
piece of culvert pipe
in there, and they're rolling each other around.
They've played more with that piece of culvert pipe than anything, which is funny. There's a basketball court over there, cornhole boards. So that's what is that?
That's a laundry facility.
Okay,
that's
the dark green's laundry.
Yeah, and then the middle one is the game room.
Yeah.
And it has a TV in there.
Awesome.
And then the one to the right is the lodge. And this place does a potluck dinner every other week. Yeah. So you can meet your neighbors. Cool. It's pretty cool.
Main entrance is down there. When you come in, there is a giant loop that's got like 4 or 5 different streets off of this side. that has most of the spots for the entire park. There's one loop that goes around the other side of the lake as well. Get it?
Bugs. So part of the pond is also roped off so that you can do some swimming. It has a little swimming area with a little dock out there with a slide and some pads that you can jump on. And then you can also rent kayaks and paddle boats.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We didn't rent any, but you can. They do a lot of work, groundskeeping and maintenance around here every day. Mowing and weed eating, and you know, their teenage kids out here mowing and
They're
doing all
really
kinds of
great
stuff, but
people.
they keep everything mowed down and really nice, so that's nice.
They're super nice people.
Here's the little area, swim area, and they keep the sand clean, little beach. For everybody to come down here and swim, you can see the paddle boats and everything out there. There's
Yeah.
folks swimming, so I don't want to keep filming that way too much, but
And on the holidays, they do things like the Memorial Day. They had a big picnic and
yeah,
cookout.
somebody's giving up the ghost. Yep, taking a walk.
This is how we roll.
Walk on the wild side. Oh, dog, what have you done?